To make sticker with your photo collection and use it in your message in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first open Gallery app and then select the desired photo you like to use to create a new sticker. Long tap on an object within the photo you'd like to use as sticker. And then select Save as Sticker. If needed, you can apply a style to your sticker. You can simply tap each style to see how it looks like when it's applied. And then tap Done button to save your sticker to your Samsung keyboard. After done making a sticker, now you can use it in messaging apps or other apps where you can type with your Samsung keyboard. As the example, when you are texting with someone in WhatsApp, tap the text field to show up your Samsung keyboard. Tap emoji icon on top of the keyboard. And then make sure you are in the gallery section. Here, you can see all stickers that you have made before. Tap the desired sticker to insert it in your message. If needed, you can add a message to your sticker. And then tap send button to send your message and the sticker. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.